You're looking at a 1985 Cadillac Eldorado. I'm the second owner of this car, and it has 26,475 miles as of this taping. The car is all original, unrestored. It has brand new Tiger Paw radial tires, new exhaust, new fuel pump, new battery, and generally overall it's a very nice running automobile. The car has a 4.1 liter V8 engine. It's air conditioning, full power, windows, seat, tilt telescopic steering wheel. It also has an AM/FM cassette with Dolby tape player and full leather seats. The paint on this Eldorado is original. The front edge of the hood has some minor stone chips. The bumper fillers on the car are original, uncracked, but they are faded due to age. The passenger side door does have some door dings. The driver's side quarter panel just rear of the door has some checking in the paint.